Hello, my name is Mary and I have the website ketchikanvacationrentals.com. I worked with Ashwani from websiteowners.com. He was absolutely wonderful. I was happy with the whole process. The website turned out excellent. I wanted a website that I could manipulate myself, do updates, put up properties, just change words if I needed to. He showed me how to do that quickly. Anytime I've had to call him, he's been right there. I can email him and hear from him normally within the hour. I hear back from him. He's been wonderful to work with, great ideas. He had a great team to put everything together. I have to say that I was disappointed in some other people that I worked with and from other companies. And so I was really nervous about choosing a web designer from another country, but oh man, I cannot believe it's been day and night difference working with Ashwani. He just made me very happy. I was a little nervous at first just because I'd had some bad experiences with other companies. So I called some of the people that he had worked with before, and they all had wonderful things to say about websiteowners.com, and it made me feel better, and I made the decision to go with him. He was fast, professional, everything looks great, and I'm very happy. Thank you.